YouTube, man. Hey, your boy Dog is back. I know I ain't uploaded in a little minute. It's been almost like 2 months, but I've been getting everything together, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Demon is getting created right now. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Y'all see we in the garage right now, bro. We about to get some shit cracking. Oh, we in the garage with it, man. Hey, y'all already know what happened to that realm. This neighborhood. I ain't gonna lie. I was lagging. But anyway, man, as y'all can tell by the title, bro, we are about to be putting on some new SRT reels, man. We finna sell the old SRT 5-spokes. Let me go show y'all what these is real quick. You know what I'm saying? These the old 5-spoke rims, you know what I'm saying? The gloss black, you know what I'm saying? We finna get rid of that. I ain't gonna lie, we getting rid of the gloss black. We already got a seller for those. I'ma sell all 4 of them for, you know what I'm saying, about like $750, $700. They all in good condition, you know what I'm saying? Dog be doing some deal. I bought them for like $1,200, but I'm finna sell them for like $700, you know what I'm saying? They used, they got a little curb rash, nothing crazy. I ain't gonna lie, nothing crazy at all. You can't even see it from the side. You gotta be on the top to see that. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and sell those real quick. And we already got the new booties, you know what I'm saying? We got the lowering screens. We're gonna make a video on that soon. We got, you know what I'm saying, a new set of rims. I'm gonna show y'all what they is. And then I got my engine parts coming. I got some long tube headers coming. I got the catless exhaust coming. I got a whole bunch coming, y'all. New tune. I got a whole bunch coming, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, this thing gonna be pushing by summertime, bro. The first event is March 15th. I ain't gonna lie, I think I'm gonna just have a little bit of my exhaust work done by March 15th. By summer, we gonna have a camp. Hey, we got so much shit coming, cuz I ain't gonna lie. The dog pack on the way, man. Dog pack on the way. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all, bro. But we finna make a demon. But let's get into the video. Enough of that talking, bro. We got the new rims real quick. Y'all comment right now what rims y'all think your boy Dog got. You know what I'm saying? We got some new rims. Hey, let's get straight into it, bro. Let's dive into it. All right, y'all. So the moment of truth, man. The new rims we got are, come on, man. 5-spokes again. I know what y'all saying, Dog. Why you selling 5-spokes for some new 5-spokes? I ain't gonna lie, bro. Hey, these are the gunmetal satin, bro. These sit, y'all can already see the color difference on these, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, the cut is the indent of these is a little deeper than the gloss black, bro. Y'all see the gloss black, you know what I'm saying? They don't pop as much, bro, on the car, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's in the sunlight right here. You know what I'm saying? They cool, though. They still 5-spokes. They still tough on the Chrysler, bro. But I'm gonna need my shit to sign. It's that simple, bro. So we got the gunmetal. We gonna look at these side by side. We got the gunmetal. You know what I'm saying, motherfuckers, real quick. Hold on, let's put in the sun real quick. Oh, I bought these for $200 each. You know what I'm saying? I bought these for $200 each. We're gonna swap the caps as well. Oh, shoot, hold on. Y'all can already see it, though, bro. I can already see it, bro. It's finna look nasty, especially when I lower it too, bro. I like the gunmetal satin a little better, bro. Here, man, y'all can see them side by side, bro. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna swap the caps onto the you know, the SRT cap to this one. But y'all can see it already, you know what I'm saying? The gloss black versus the gunmetal. Which one is better to y'all, bro? You know what I'm saying? I think the gunmetal look way better. It makes it pop more, especially when I lower this, bro. It's gonna look so clean. But anyway, man, we finna go ahead and load these rims into the truck, and then, or I said to the truck, I'm tripping. Finna put these rims in the car real quick. You know what I'm saying? Go to the tire shop. You know what I'm saying? Swap them out real quick. Then we gonna sell the you know what I'm saying, the old gloss black ones. And then shit, we said this, you know what I'm saying? But just a little quick video of we doing real quick, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all thought Dog, you know what I'm saying, ain't fucking with the car shit no more or whatever, blah, 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 blah. We still here, bro. Just had to get some shit in order and everything coming in process right, man. All right, y'all. So we at Smiley's in St. Louis, man. Smiley's tire shop, man. We finna put the new ones on, the new booties on. Hey, so the total price of this is only gonna be like $140, bro. $140 to put the new sensors on the new rim, to balance, and then put the tires on the rims as well. So it's $140 total, which ain't bad. I ain't gonna lie. My had motherfuckers try to charge me $200 for this. So $140 ain't bad. They give your boy a little discount, man. So shout out to Smiley's, bro. Y'all already see we got the lowering springs, bro. I can't wait to get this gap on, but we gonna do that on another video, though. All right, y'all. So we ran into a little problem, bro. The SRT center cap won't fit on here, bro. So I'm gonna have to order some OEM ones. Look, y'all see when you put it in, bro. That shit come right out, bro. So this shit all bad, bro. These are a little longer than this one, bro. So I think that's what it is. They got an extra clip right here. These don't got a clip on them nowhere. So I'm gonna have to order some OEM ones. These fit in there, but this is just the brand of the rim. I have to order some SRT OEM ones on Amazon or eBay or some shit, and we go get it right. All right, y'all. So now y'all can see the difference on these, man. We got the 5-spokes on every side now, bro. You know what I'm saying? The gunmetal satin. Hey, if you've watched the other videos, y'all can tell this looks totally different from what we usually got, bro. This thing looking smooth right now, bro. The gun satin metal, or what's it, gunmetal satin, whatever it's called, bro. But this shit clean so far, bro. I just got to get the SRT center caps. I told y'all I got to order some OEM ones real quick, and then we set for real, bro. So now, shit, we finna drive around real quick, make sure it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong. Y'all know new rims usually shaking shit. All right, y'all, so we made it back to the crib, man. You know what I'm saying? We do got the new 5 spokes on, bro. Let me show y'all how they look, y'all. They look good as hell, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, here it is right here, bro. You know what I'm saying? The gunmetal satin motherfuckers on that bitch. Looking nice and purty. I ain't gonna lie, without the center caps, this shit ass. I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait till the center caps come in. We gonna get that shit in real quick, you know what I'm saying? Check the other side real quick. Boom, gunmetal satin, bro. These are way better than the gloss, in my opinion, bro. You know what I'm saying? Some people like the gloss black, some people like the matte black, but I like the gunmetal satin, bro. This shit the wave right now. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I only spent like 150 to like 200 on the rims because I'm basically selling my old rims too. So I only come like 200 out of pocket for some brand new rims, bro, and a different color. So I'm really rocking with it. Let me get the old rims out the car, clean them real quick. And then shit, we gonna go sell them real quick, and that's it for the video, you know what I'm saying? So here we go, man. Finna clean off these old 5-spoke rims, you know what I'm saying? I'm selling these for $700. Only got a little bit of curb rash, nothing crazy at all, as y'all can see, bro. You know what I'm saying? But we got some goddamn detergent, some alcohol, 2 rags. I'm gonna get this shit washed up real quick. And I'm finna give somebody a good deal, man. $700 for 4 brand new rims, or not brand new, but $400 for some 5-spoke black gloss rims, bro. Can't go wrong with it, bro. Like I said, I bought these for like $1,200, so y'all, whoever getting these, getting a steal. I ain't gonna lie. All right, y'all, so we done sold the rims. It's getting a little darker. You can see the rims right there. At nighttime, they look a little bit more glossier, but in the sun, y'all know that little gray color. But it ain't gonna lie, it turned out cool, bro. You know what I'm saying? Very easy, you know what I'm saying? Everything looking smooth. So I'm gonna need y'all to comment below which ones look better, the you know what I'm saying, the gunmetal satin or the gloss black, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if I made the right decision or not. You know what I'm saying, with my people, you know what I'm saying? But that's it right there. And like I said, we're gonna lower that, man. We got the lowering springs. We're gonna lower this. Everything gonna sit right and perfect, bro. Shit, I need to clean out the you know what I'm saying, these rims real quick and put the car back in here and we straight. That's pretty much it for the rims, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. There's a little slideshow going on right now. It's like, I ain't gonna lie, the weather's starting to feel good. It's like 60 degrees right now. I ain't gonna lie. We finna go turn up real quick, see what that's talking about. Hey, and I'll see y'all in a second. Yo, this nigga ugly as fuck, bro. Ooh, nigga slide. Stop being weird and go slide, bro. Give us a show, bro. You're the best Mustang driver I ever seen in my life. Look, man. Y'all know it's fat. Why you ugly as fuck, right? Bro, why you so fucking ugly, bro? I just feel like you finna step. Bro.